Kentucky Fried Chicken, and that's my way. We always use plump, young broilers, always fresh, never frozen chicken. It's cut in pieces, and each piece is dipped in milk and egg wash, then into seasoned flour, in which we have the 11 different spices and herbs for flavor. One more thing, folks. It's the only way that you're going to get chicken that is finger-licking good, and I'd be mighty proud to have you try Colonel Sanders' Kentucky Fried Chicken. Mighty proud. Excuse me a moment, will you please? Hey, look at there. Didn't I tell you it was finger-licking good?
Kentucky Fried Chicken. If you want Kentucky Fried Chicken, you have to visit me.
Good old Colonel Sanders stole his recipe from an elderly black woman that they call Miss Childress. Miss Childress from Kentucky. In a book called America's Most Wanted Recipes, author Ron Douglas speaks on how Miss Childress was only paid $1,200 instead of having this KFC empire. Kentucky Fried Chicken was opened up as a fast food place for travelers and people passing through. All the black folks around Kentucky knew about this. Everybody knew what was going on, but she couldn't prove it. But in a my word versus your word type of thing, against a white man in the 1930s, she pretty much didn't have any choice. She accepted the $1,200. Miss Childress had no proof, and that's the only reason Colonel Sanders is the face of KFC. In the early days of television,